Did you know that over 70% of Etsy sellers miss out on potential sales by not capturing customer emails and then easily sending a quick 5-minute email each week to keep buyers coming back to their shops weekly? Many members of my community have been learning how to set up their own email opt-in page and then quickly send a weekly email or two to keep their customers engaged and coming back over and over again. When I put this video out a few weeks ago, there were many of you that requested that I show you how to quickly create an email opt-in page to then start collecting your buyers' emails so that you have a way to communicate and market to them easily whenever you want. So the email platform that I use is called Everbee, and that is the one that I showed. So I am just over in Everbee and I have already signed in. And once you have connected your shop, you'll just want to navigate to the Grow tab, which is right here. And the first section is called your landing page. So an email landing page or opt-in page is where you get consent from your customer that they are going to go ahead and sign up for your email list with the perception that they are usually going to get something extra or for free or something of value in exchange for their email address. If you have never created one in Everbee, you'll just want to click on New Subscriber Page right here at the top. But just for references, I'm just going to show you my landing page. It is as simple as this. So it really just says, join the Bailey Designed Co. mailing list, which is my shop name, and it says get more free designs instantly and also receive weekly free designs and exclusive coupons. I have found that it is really beneficial and your email list opt-in conversion rate is going to be much higher if you are giving them something additional of value upfront for free rather than just saying join my email list without any promise of giving them anything extra or additional. After that, I just have two fields, which is enter your name and enter your email, and then the subscribe button. So over here in Everbee, if you just click on New Subscriber Page, you can choose one of the templates that they already have pre-built. The one that I used originally was this subscribe page here. And so now this is just going to open up the editor and you can personalize this according to your shop or style or brand that you want to. It will automatically pre-fill with your shop's logo, so if you want this to be something different, you can change this here, or you can just let it be pre-filled with that existing shop logo, depending on what you have. And then I would go ahead and personalize this with my shop info, so you can just click on that, and you'll be able to change that, as well as this little subtitle information or paragraph information setting here, and then your name and your email is already set up. Next, you'll just want to click on this confirmation page right here. And mine does say, thank you so much for signing up. Your free emails or your free tumblers will be emailed in a few moments. And then there is a button to go back to my Etsy shop, which surprisingly enough, this has resulted in lots of sales. Once they've opted in, they immediately go back to the Etsy shop and purchase something else. Once you've edited this, you'll just click save, and that is really it for creating your opt-in page. So what happens after you create the opt-in page and they signed up? How do you deliver whatever it is that you promised them, whether that is more free designs or free printable or free guide? You'll want to set up what is an automated campaign. And to do that, you'll just click on campaigns, which is right here. And Everbee actually has several welcome campaigns already pre-built that you can easily customize to your own shop and to whatever it is that you actually sell. So I've just clicked edit on the first welcome one email sequence, or the number one email in the sequence, and it is set to delay at 000 because I want it to be sent out immediately after they sign up for the email list so that they are getting those free designs that I promised them. It really just does have some simple information that just says, well, we're happy that you're here. Here are some free designs. And then it does have it pulling with Everbee some of my best-selling products, which you can choose to change this right here by clicking on best-selling listings or just featured listings or even newest listings if you want it to show whatever the newest listings in your shop might be. be. Down here below, I have the click here to grab your free designs, which is just some text that is hyperlinked to my Google Drive folder where the free designs are that they just signed up for can be easily accessed. I do also have a coupon code right here in the text that is meant to get them to come back to the shop, hopefully to either purchase one of these best-selling products here or newest products, depending on what I have it set to. Once you're done editing it, you can just go ahead and click on save, and that is really it. As I mentioned, I have several in my email sequence. I believe I have 5 right now. And if you are in one of my communities, the AI Digital Product Sales community, you'll know that last week I did just send you all an email sequence of 10 different email templates that you can use in your welcome email sequence so that these are all pre-built and all you'll need to do is add them in here. Otherwise, if you aren't, you can definitely use Everbee's pre-built welcome sequence and then modify it based on whatever it is that you're selling and your shop's products. Now that you've hopefully set up your new email landing page and welcome sequence, be sure to watch this next video here to avoid some of the top digital product shop mistakes that could really be destroying your digital product business. And as always, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.